Last time on And Other Horizons. After visiting San Marino, we returned to Italy and enjoyed a slow journey south. Meeting incredible people, artists and hunters, and finding spots of tranquility wherever we could. Now it's time to continue south and uncover more of this incredible Mediterranean marvel that is Italy. It was time to depart March, pass through Abruzzo, and then turn west and on to Campania. Through March, we'd heard some grinding in the engine. Knowing our oil was up for a change anyway, we made a stop at the garage to get this sorted, hoping this would solve the problem and make that horrible grinding noise disappear. It also allowed us to do one of our favourite overlanding tasks. That's right, laundry.
Feels good because we don't have clean clothes anymore.
Everything we own.
Really?
With our little white box filled to the brim with fresh clothes, we made our way to Offida. A hidden gem in the heart of Italy, Offida whispers stories of the past through its quiet streets and timeless architecture. Offida's serene charm invited us to savour the essence of Italian heritage. That and ice cream.
It's really good, tiramisu and ricotta with fig. Really good. Want me to stop?
Offida is celebrated for its lace making, a tradition that has flourished for centuries. We were fortunate enough to stumble upon Constantina performing this dance of lace making. As we departed, we made our way past the Church of Offida, a masterpiece of sacred architecture. To us, it feels like it stands as a silent guardian to the town's rich heritage. We were leaving Offida and heading further south. I focused on the road. Mon, who knows what Mom was doing?
He's like, poof, poof.
It was time to leave March and head into the neighbouring region, Abruzzo. We made our way to Campo Imperatore, a mountain grassland. The majesty of Campo Imperatore is revealed in the light of sunset and sunrise. Whilst the meadow basks in the warm glow, Corno Grande is draped in a golden veil. At dawn, the first rays of sunlight caressed the peak, casting a soft orange light over the landscape. It was a dance of light and shadow, a moment of awe and wonder. It was a fleeting visit. Whilst I was keen to stay, Mon, as you can see, was keen to keep moving. So we drove, on through the meadow, and on to Santo Stefano, an ancient little mountain town that captured our hearts. Bursting with life and colour. Cute streets and encroaching nature. Quirky decorations around every corner. sleeping cats, and cats trying to sleep. And just daily life. We managed to witness more lace making. In fact, it was apparently International Lace Making Day. Who knew? But for us, this place will forever be known as the town of many doors, because, well, it was. If you're enjoying this video, please subscribe and journey with us, exploring more of these lesser known places all over the world. We decided to make one more stop in Abruzzo, at a town called Scanno. Yet another beautiful Italian town I could have photographed for days. It was peaceful, easygoing.
Can I take a picture?
I never got this man's name, but I'll never forget how touching a simple interaction like this can be. Our time in Abruzzo was ending. We were turning towards Italy's west coast, in Campania. The magic of overlanding lies in its unpredictability. You never know what breathtaking beauty will greet you just steps from your door. It's these spontaneous moments that make the journey truly unforgettable. But it's a magic that can quickly be dispelled. We've been hearing some grinding noises in the engine. It's the worst case. We need a new clutch. We are heading to find a garage that can do the repair, and fingers crossed we get it done relatively speedy.
Italy doesn't want us to leave. We tried to go to Tunisia twice. We are trying to go to Puglia so we can get the ferry to Albania. And it sounds like we're staying a bit longer now.
This is Felice. He's a character, as you'll see. He's a knowledgeable mechanic. Most importantly, he's a great human being. The joys of overlanding. There are highs and there are lows.
Yeah, especially when the guys drive your van away without really understanding what they are doing.
It's coming back, it's coming back.
Yeah, it is.
We still have no idea what Felice was saying as he drove us to order the parts we needed, but we all laughed. That's what mattered. We'd wanted to visit Pepe and Grani ever since we'd seen it on Netflix. It's why we were in Campania. We made our way there with the last of our clutch and braced ourselves for... We were in heaven. A whole menu of pizzas. Even pizza for dessert.
It's like Italian churros.
We found a park up with a cracking mountain view, letting our bodies digest the over-index of carbs, and just sat back and enjoyed nature. While the days passed, as we waited for our new clutch to arrive.
You're recording me.
Car's in the garage, needs a new clutch. Fingers crossed, end of the day, we're on the road again. Whilst our clutch was getting installed, we made our way to the thing Caserta is most famous for, its palace. Beneath the radiant sun, the gardens are a breathtaking spectacle of nature's beauty and human artistry. This is super pro videography. Caserta's grand fountains, their shimmering waters and intricate designs, are a refreshing oasis and a lot of entertainment. It was a long walk. This is the view back to the palace from the end of the garden. But it wasn't the end of our exploration, and we whiled away more hours exploring some of our favourite parts of this incredible estate.
It's so beautiful.
Then it was time to head back to the house. Our heads were sent spinning by the size and grandeur of this place we'd never heard of. From mesmerising ceilings down to intricate floors. The abundance of stunning furniture, and a never-ending library. Mon sums it up best.
You can live here if you want. From the little box to this palace.
Then it was back to the box, and things were, well, still up in the air. So, tune in next time to see if this remains our next horizon.